Hey guys, it's Maya. It's Maya. Today, I am going to be opening my iPad 7th generation. I'm so excited. One of my favorite things are electronics. Ever since I was little, I've always had the PSP, the PS4, the Nintendos, the Game Boys, all of the above. So why wouldn't I keep on going with the electronics thing? I guess it's just my thing. So, look, I'm in school. You guys can check out my other videos, and I feel like this will help me a lot. One of my friends actually got her an iPad, and she said it really helped her throughout the semester. I got it yesterday. It was delivered, and I am about to open it. I wanted to open it last night, but I was like, just wait. I was not in the best of moods yesterday. I guess my thought process was just going because school starts in 2 weeks. So I have 2 weeks to get everything together, 2 weeks to get ahead of the game, and I have 2 weeks to introduce my iPad to my studying habits. So without further ado, because I'm probably more excited than you, so I got the 32 gigabyte, which I'll probably just buy more storage because I will be doing my YouTube videos off of this iPad now. And it's the 7th generation Wi-Fi and cellular. I've always wanted one of the iPads that have the cellular along with it. I'm so excited. Okay, let me stop. The thing is, I got space gray because I always end up with space gray no matter what. I used to want the rose gold color in everything, but it never happens that way, and I'm okay with that. It's just like I kind of want everything to match. So there's the top of it. It's growing up so fast. Are y'all not excited? Okay, I know y'all like, just open it, but oh my gosh. It's just like brand new. I love it. Okay. Everybody move out the way. And probably, yeah, just the instructions. Oh, this is like the mini version of the MacBook charger. Then a charging cable. I don't know if it's charged or what. I bought all the accessories they're gonna be in later on this month. Oh my god, this is like better than better than a lot of things. It looks so cute. I'm so excited. And it got 60%. Oh my god. Selecting my country. I have to go get my SIM card. I was so confused, but I forgot I had to put my SIM card inside. And then I was like, well, she lied and told me that that it would come with the utensil I need to get the open the SIM card slot, but she didn't lie. It was in this paperwork that I thought was useless. I don't want to break that. How do you do it? Do you just poke it? So you gently press it inside. I don't know how gentle I can get. What the fuck? That's not gentle, but it opened. So shove it. Wow. That's a lot more than gentle. there's a few things. So you have to take off the card, and you have to take off this little lining to get this little SIM card in there, and then you put it back in. But be careful, because it likes to fall. Now to insert it, I'm gonna flip it on its back, and then I'm gonna place the SIM card on top of the SIM card holder. Place the iPad on its back. Scoot over here so I look less awkward, and then press it in. Because maybe you don't know how to do that and you're learning while you're making a YouTube video. I bought all the accessories. It'll be in next week or later on this week, but all of it in totality will be in. Okay, so is my SIM card in now? I need to sign in. I thought it all connected because I have all this crap everywhere. That's Apple, but apparently nothing wants to pair. Yeah, it popped up on my screen. Now everything wants to connect. Okay. So it's signing into my iCloud. I guess now that I have internet, because now I have my SIM card in there. For school, I use GoodNotes. So maybe I should buy Apple Pencil. I don't know. I used to print a lot, and I gave up all my Wi-Fi. I gave up everything, and so I just use hotspot, and now I have cellular on my iPad. So I'm really thinking that this is gonna work out. So I can just pull it up on here. It's smaller than a piece of paper, but not as wide, and I don't think I'll have to scroll as much. Let me pull up some notes. Yep. So I can already write on here with my finger, but I don't want to. I think I'm gonna get the Apple Pencil just because. So yes, it shows the full paper. Well, whereas on here, first of all, I couldn't download GoodNotes, so all my notes were in separate places. I don't like that, so I'd have to email them to myself. And then, through the email, you have to scroll, and it's wide, and it's just like too much. But this has the whole paper on it, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna make you guys a video on how I am going to study for the next semester. I pay for a few things, really just one, because I use my best friend's Netflix, because I'm not about to pay for that. The only thing I pay for monthly besides like bills is this NRSNG app. I put myself on a really tight budget, but with that being said, I was able to purchase my iPad, which will help me in school, because I didn't buy myself anything for passing last semester. The first semester I passed, I bought the XS Max. The next time I failed, so I didn't buy anything. This time I passed, and it's 2 weeks till school start, and I bought my iPad, and I'm excited. And then the next time I pass the semester, I'll probably, everybody calm down. I don't know. I'll probably be buying my car. I'm speaking that into existence. Hold on, let me. The next semester that I pass, I will be purchasing my brand new car. New to me. I don't buy no 2020 nothing. I'm not buying no 2020 nothing, but it's gonna be brand new to me. Look brand new, feel brand new. I'm gonna stop hitting curbs. I think they're half off everywhere. I like how the face recognition isn't what you have to use to sign into things, because I don't want to pick up the device every time to get my face recognition And with the iPad, you just use your thumbprint. Yes, baby. Make sure you guys subscribe. One of my favorite things is like introduce my iPod. Now I don't know what card to take. How do you put the damn SIM card in? Okay, let's look that up.
Severely damaged the soul amount of
But be careful, because it likes to fall. I'm getting a little frustrated. Motherfucker. Yo, what the fuck? As I keep dropping it, in case you guys were wondering. So I'll place the goddamn SIM card on top. Johnny, don't come in here cussing.